Hey guys, it's Denny and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of a continuation of my previous video. In my previous video I talked about Dola hair. I told y'all that it was a new hair company that I was trying, and I loved it so much when I first got it, before it was installed and all that good stuff. So I wanted to come here and let you guys see how my hair looks installed, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's literally the same way it was when I first got it. So yeah, so like I said before, I'll put the details in the description. So I have an 18-inch closure, and then I have 2 bundles of 22 in my hair, and it is Brazilian straight. So yeah, I really like it, y'all. It's soft and like it's super long. If anybody knows me, know that I love long hair. But yeah, I'm gonna like turn around so you can like see the length. Hopefully you can see. I'm doing another impromptu bathroom review. But yeah, so yeah, I absolutely love it. I got this today's Sunday. I got this installed Friday, so it still looks good. I did straighten it Saturday, yesterday, because I took graduation pictures yesterday, and I also took some more today. So yeah, and y'all, I kept the baby hairs on the closure. So I have the fake baby hairs, y'all, and I've never had fake baby hairs before, so it's an adjustment. Like, don't mind my edges right now anyway. It's like the end of the day, y'all, and I'm not laying my edges to go to bed. I'm not doing it. But yeah, I gotta get used to these long edges. I thought my edges was long, but these things right here, I gotta learn how to keep these things together. But yeah, I really love this hair, y'all. I love the way it looks. I just love everything about it, y'all. I'll probably do like another check-in once I like had it for a while and washed it some more and all that good stuff. But yeah, so yes, Dola hair, I recommend it, y'all. I recommend it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put all the details in the description box. Let me know if you've tried Dola hair and how you feel about Dola hair. Also, comment below any more hair companies that you think I should try. I'm gonna kind of make this a consistent thing on my channel, talking about hair that I get, my different types of hairstyles, natural hair, all that stuff, because I'm literally falling in love with hair, y'all. Like, at first it was just, get my hair done, but now like I love it. So yeah, so this is my second protective style. I had braids before, as some of you know. So yeah, now switching from braids to weave. But yeah, so really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.